Welcome to our WordPress environment. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add some PDF files to your media library, how to link those files in a web page, and how to ensure the spacing is configured correctly to group those links appropriately. So to get started, we're going to hop into the media library here and click on the Add New button. And you can't see me dragging some files in, but I'm dragging some PDF files into the media library, and you can see they're being uploaded here. We've got 3 files. Site reading number 1. I'm going to copy the link to the clipboard, the URL. Back to our pages, we're going to create a new page next. We're going to call it My Page of Links. In My Page of Links, we've got some text, and we want to make that text into a hyperlink pointing to our PDF file. So we've got site reading number 1. We're going to select it, and then we're going to click the link button. From there, we can paste in the URL that we just copied from the media library. Submit that, and now we've got a link. I can hit enter and add a new block down below. That's going to add a line break, but we'll come back to deal with that in a minute. Let's go back to the media library next, and we'll grab the URL for our next file, which is site reading number 2. We're going to copy the URL once again and drop back into our page editor. We've got site reading number 1. We want site reading number 2 immediately below it. So we're going to hit Shift Enter. Type in the text that we want, site reading number 2. And then once again we highlight that, click on the link button, drop in the URL, Control V to paste, and then submit. Save the page, and away we go. Back to the media library. We'll grab the 3rd URL next. So go back to the library, grab our Welcome Home Guitar URL, copy that, and then back to the Pages library one last time. This is a different file, so we're going to drop it in a new block below the first 2. We want a bit of spacing there, so we can just hit enter, and that will create a new block below. What we don't want to do is just paste in the URL that we've created. That won't really work because WordPress tries to embed that for us. So instead, we're going to hit enter, and we can type in our text as we've done before, Welcome Home Guitar 1. Highlight that or select it if you prefer. Add a link. Make sure it's good. Submit. And save the page again. Publish it if we're ready. And now we can view the page to check our work. Here we've got My Page of Links, site reading number 1, 2, and Welcome Home Guitar 1. We click the first one, we go to the PDF, just like we'd expect. Same with the second link, site reading number 2, and Welcome Home Guitar 1. And we're done. Those are our 3 links added to our links page and ready to go.